Hi everybody, it's Miss Lorenz. I'm going to talk about Unit 3, Lesson 10, and we are getting into percents, which is really fun. I know we've been talking about a little bit of percent work in our appetizers, so this won't be totally new, but it'll be new enough that we're going to spend just a couple minutes in this mini lesson talking about it. So first of all, in your notes, make sure that you write down the definition of percent. So if we just break apart the word percent, we get per 100. Cent means 100. That's the root meaning of the word cent. So per cent means per 100. And that means it's a rate per 100. And as you know, we love working with hundreds. Our brain likes it. It's a power of 10, so our brain likes it even more. So we're going to be working with percents a lot. And one way that we might do so is by using a double number line. And so what we're looking at in this double number line is the percent of $10. And so right here, I'm going to circle my 100% because we're talking about the percent of $10. And so $10 would be the full amount, or 100%. And so by building this double number line, I can see that half of 10 would be $5, and so that would correspond with my 50%. 50% is another way of thinking about half. 25% is another way of thinking about a quarter or a fourth. And if I find half of my half, I can find my quarter. Or if I divide by 4, I can also find my quarter. And so the place that I always like to go, and this is the place that we go in our appetizers, is we always go to our 10%. And so we're using a percent table when we do that. And we've done a little bit of this in class in our mental math practices, and so I just want you to get this down. So if we know that our 100% is $10, then our 10% is just a tenth of $10. So we're just really moving the decimal point, you guys, one place to the left to find our 10%. And so 10% is $1. That shouldn't be there. So then if we know 10%, we can literally figure out every single other percent we need. So if 10% is $1, then 20% is double that. So it's going to be double this. It'll be $2. 5% is going to be half of our 10%, so I'm going to multiply by a half. So it's going to be half of $1, which is 50 cents. And we can even go larger than 100%. So 200% is twice as much. It's like doubling that 100% amount. And so if I double my $10, I get $20. All right, I hope that was a good refresher for you for percents, and I hope that was helpful. Thanks for listening.